This says by how much is the sum of this fraction and this fraction less than 7. It means when we add these two fractions together, by how much is the sum of these two fractions smaller than 7? How much is it smaller than 7? Let me give an instance, for example. Let's say we have Tolu's age to be. Tolu's age is 20, and the father's age is about, let's say, 40. Okay, and now ask, by how much is Tolu's age less than the father's age? That's how much is Tolu's age smaller than the father's age. So what we'll do is we just say it will be 40 minus 20, okay, which is 20. That means Tolu's age is less than the father's age by 20. The same thing, that's the same thing we'll be doing here. The same thing. It says, by how much is the sum of these two numbers less than 7? That means the sum of these two numbers is actually smaller than 7. But we want to know by how much. So let's do that together. The first thing, we add these two fractions together, and we'll have 3 whole number 2 all over 3 plus 2 whole number 1 all over 5. The first thing is to change this mixed fraction to improper fraction. This will be 3 times 3, 9, plus 2 will be 11. So you have 11 all over 3 plus 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11. This is 11 all over 5. Now we have two improper fractions. The next thing we need to do is to find the LCM of 3 and 5. So the LCM of 3 and 5, we can just do this. Just do all these things. 3 and 5. 3 goes in 3 to give us 1. But 3 cannot go in 5. So we'll just write 5 again. We know 5 will go in 5 to give us 1. Then we can stop since we've gotten 1, 1 here. The LCM of 3 and 5, LCM is equal to 3 times 5, which is this 3 times 5, which is 15. Okay? 15. So what we need to do here is multiply this first fraction by 15 and this second fraction by 15, the LCM, and divide through by 15, the LCM. We have 11 all over 3 times 15 plus 11 all over 5 times 15. Let me put this in brackets, divided by 15. 3 here 1, 3 here 5, 5 here 1, 5 here 3. So we'll be left with 11 times 5 is 55. 11 times 3 is 33. So you have all over 15. This is equal to 55 plus 33 will give us 88 all over 15. Now we've gotten this fraction, this improper fraction. Now we need to go to the question. The question says, by how much is the sum of, we've added the two fractions now. By how much is the sum less than 7? The next thing we need to do is to come here and say this will be 7 minus 88 all over 15, like Tolu's age, Tolu and her father's age. And this is equal to 7 all over 1. You can just say this is all over 1 minus 88 all over 15. Alright, we need to find the LCM of 15 and 1. You definitely know the LCM of 15 and 1 is 15. So this would be 7 all over 1 times 15. Multiply this fraction by the LCM. Also multiply this fraction, this other fraction, by the LCM. Then divide through by the LCM, and we'll have 15 cancel 15 here, okay, to give us 1. 7 times 15 will give us, 7 times 5 is 35. Write down 5. Carry 3. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 3 will give us 105 minus 88 all over 15. And we'll have here that, let me bring this down a bit. We'll have this is equal to 105 minus 88 to give us 17 all over 15. Now this is an improper fraction. To resolve this, we just say 15 goes in 17 how many times? One time. Remainder 2. Write down 2 all over 15. And this is the final answer to that question.